Why are creators obsessed with GVM 880RS RGB lights? Lighting hack they don't tell you. Ever felt like your content looks meh? You grind for hours filming, yet your lighting sabotages every frame. Washed out colors, weird shadows, overexposed highlights, it's enough to make anyone want to quit streaming. Your expensive DSLR or webcam can't save you if your lighting setup is trash. And if fiddling with complicated panels or bulbs has you feeling like you're piloting a spaceship blindfolded, you're not alone. Lighting should boost your creativity, not drain it. Are you stuck thinking, why doesn't my video look professional yet? Maybe it's time to admit. Your lights are the real villains here. Let's get brutally honest. Bad lighting doesn't just ruin your videos, it kills your vibe. Each awkward flicker and ugly color cast silently chips away at your motivation. Those moodier shots you dream of? Missed. Those TikTok trends? You're late. Deadlines loom while your old lights overheat, buzz, or dim at random. Meanwhile, burnout creeps in. Missed sponsorships, lifeless live streams, stalled growth. If your audience clicks away the second your face turns zombie gray, you're not imagining things. Lighting matters more than ever. And struggling with generic, unreliable gear? That's a guaranteed fast track to content creator burnout. Cue the GVM RGB LED Video Light Kit 880RS, your personal content cheat code. Think 60 watt of buttery-soft brilliance, wireless Bluetooth control, and Hollywood-level RGB presets to switch vibes in seconds. We're talking CRI 97 plus color accuracy, 18 cinematic scene effects, and smooth dimmable output with real-time app sync. With 2 robust panels built from durable aluminum, your setup is now portable, professional, and powerful. Whether you're filming YouTube bangers, streaming to Twitch, or spicing up Zoom calls, this kit handles it all without breaking a sweat. Tired of lifeless streams? This kit wakes them up. What's in it for you? Smooth mobile app control, because you deserve to adjust lighting from your chair. RGB color that pops. Scene presets that make every shot look intentional. Dual power options for the studio or outdoors. A legit portable setup with pro-level output. Oh, and the master-slave sync means one tap controls all your lights. No more sweaty, panicked runs to tweak gear mid-recording. Whether you're gaming, vlogging, or product shooting, this kit simplifies everything, making pro-quality content finally feel effortless. Want to level up without headaches? This is the solution built for creators like you. Thousands of creators are already lighting up their channels with the GVM 880RS RGB light kit, why not you? But fair warning. Stock moves fast when every streamer from here to TikTok catches wind. Don't overthink it. Don't risk losing another collab or sponsorship to bad lighting. Click now, grab your kit, and join the pros. Remember, every viral moment starts with visibility. Make sure yours looks iconic. Act now, before your competitors light up without you.